Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can promote Redbubble on Pinterest. So the first step you simply need to do is to log in into your Redbubble account. So once you log in, you can sell your art, and let's suppose you created different arts like this. Here you can see that, and you can see show your art on various products like this. Here you can see. So let's suppose you created and you want to promote on Pinterest. So you simply need to go and create Pinterest account. So let me so once you created your Pinterest account, you simply need to log in into your Pinterest account, and here you simply need to create a pin. So let's suppose I created this design and I want to showcase my different products like this. So you simply need to add your pins, add title to your pin, add description, and you can add link from your Redbubble like this here. And you can, if you want, you can add that to any board. If you want, you can add tag, and then you simply need to click on publish. And then you get an organic traffic from Pinterest to your Redbubble store. And in this way, you can easily promote your Redbubble on Pinterest. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.